Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending what time of the day, once again, you're watching these videos. Now, this week, we are looking at three new sounds. Even though there are four representations up here, we're looking at three sounds. The first one is the Z sound. Now, this can be represented by a single Z or a double Z. And we'll get into this in a moment when to use a single and when to use a double. Our next sound is Y, represented by the letter Y. And our final sound is ng, represented by the letters N, G. Now, the ng sound can be quite tricky to say. Now, the way we do say this sound is that I want you to put your tongue on the top of your roof. Okay, you can feel that hard bit there in your roof and slide your tongue just a bit further back until you get to that soft part. And then make that sound. Mm. Now, our other rule that we need to try and follow this week, because this one over here, the ng, is definitely a tricky one this week, but also knowing when to use a single Z and a double Z. Now, you might remember from a couple of weeks ago, we were introduced to a rule called the floss rule. Now, that is when we heard one of these short. Oh, let me change that. And we heard one of these short vowel sounds in a word. Now, when we hear one of these short vowels and we hear z after it, we need to use that floss rule and double the z. So, for example, let's say the word is fizz. I'm going to sound it out and go it z. Now, because I have used a short vowel sound and there is z right afterwards, I need to double that consonant there. Fizz. Fizz. So, two rules we need to remember this week, that when we do work with words that have a z sound, if we hear the it right before it, a short vowel sound right before it, we need to double our z's. But also with this one up here, remember that sound is not ng. We want to put our tongue at the back of our mouth and go like you are trying to say the n sound. Have a go with that this week, guys. Good luck.